Stop overthinking your first high-end robot vacuum purchase. I've tested every major contender from the past year so you don't have to navigate the confusing world of LiDAR, mopping systems, and object avoidance. If you're a beginner looking for the best robot vacuum to make your life easier in 2026, you are in exactly the right place. But before we dive into the countdown, let me tell you, our top pick for beginners might not be the flashiest, but it's undeniably the smartest choice for setting up your clean home without a single headache. Kicking things off at number 5 for beginners, it's the DreameL10s Ultra. This thing is a powerhouse, packed with an all-in-one docking station that empties dust, cleans and dries its own mop pads, and refills its water tank. Its best feature is truly that comprehensive automation. Once it's set up, you barely touch it. It's for the tech-savvy beginner who wants absolutely everything taken care of, who doesn't mind diving into a feature-rich app. However, an honest flaw is that with all those complex systems, initial setup can feel a little intimidating, and troubleshooting some of the more advanced features might require a deeper dive than a true beginner wants to take. Moving up the ladder to number 4, we have the Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni. This robot shouts premium from every angle, offering fantastic mopping performance with its auto wash and dry station, powerful suction, and even voice control built right into the base. It's for the beginner who prioritizes a luxurious, integrated cleaning experience and is excited about smart home tech. The X11 Omni's biggest strength is its sheer comprehensive cleaning ability, especially for hard floors. But be warned, an honest flaw here is the sheer size of that Omni station. It demands a significant footprint, and while the app is powerful, it can feel a bit feature-dense and overwhelming for someone just starting out. Now, if you want incredible performance but still want it to be accessible, our number 3 pick, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, strikes a fantastic balance. Its best features include truly next-level LiDAR mapping, reactive 3D obstacle avoidance that just works, incredibly powerful dual roller brushes, and a Viberize 2.0 mopping system that actually scrubs your floors. This robot is for beginners who want top-tier cleaning and navigation, and are willing to spend a little time on the excellent Roborock app to customize their cleaning zones and routines. The honest flaw? While the app is amazing, it has so many options. For a true robot vacuum beginner, navigating all the advanced settings for the first time can feel like a lot to learn right out of the box. Sliding into our number 2 spot, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a serious contender for beginners who want strong performance without a massive premium price tag. Its best feature has to be its incredibly reliable AI laser vision, which does an outstanding job detecting and avoiding obstacles, reducing the need for pre-cleaning. It also boasts powerful suction, good edge cleaning, and an easy-to-use self-emptying base. This vacuum is for the beginner who wants solid, consistent cleaning performance and reliable navigation in an intuitive package, without breaking the bank for every single advanced feature. The honest flaw with the Shark AI Ultra is its mopping capability. If it has it at all, it's often very basic compared to the advanced scrubbing of the Roborock or Ecovacs, making it more suited for vacuuming first homes. And that brings us to our ultimate recommendation for beginners in 2026, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. This robot embodies simplicity and reliability, making it the absolute easiest high-end vacuum to live with for a first-time owner. Its best feature, hands down, is its best-in-class object avoidance, especially for pet waste. They literally call it the POP guarantee. It's reliable, its app is incredibly straightforward, and the self-emptying clean base means you set it up and forget about it for weeks. The Roomba J7 Plus is for the absolute beginner who wants minimal fuss, wants to trust their robot to navigate around unexpected obstacles, and just wants a clean floor every day without thinking about it. An honest flaw? While it vacuums brilliantly, it doesn't offer any mopping features. If you want a wet clean from iRobot, you'll need a separate Braava jet, which does add to the overall cost if you need both. But for pure, reliable, hands-off vacuuming for beginners, nothing beats it. Every single one of these amazing robots, with the absolute best prices and current deals, is linked in the pinned comment and description below. Don't waste another minute manually vacuuming. Grab your perfect robot today.